Use the conversions above to help you answer the questions in this worksheet. Here are a few example problems to help you along the way. Number 1, 2.5 quarts is equal to how many pints? I know that 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, and I'll use this conversion to help me answer the question. 2.5 quarts to pints. 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. We will cross multiply. 2.5 times 2 divided by 1. I know 2.5 times 2 is 4.25, which is equal to 5. 5 divided by 1 is, of course, divided by 1 is 5. 2.5 quarts is equal to 5 pints. Number 2 says 6 3/4 gallon is equal to how many quarts? Well, I know 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, and we can use this to help us answer the question. 6 3/4 gallons, 2 quarts. We know 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. We can cross multiply. 6 3/4 times 4 divided by 1. 6 3/4 times 4. We know that 6 times 4 is 24, and 3/4 times 4 is 12/4. Simplified is 3, and 24 plus 3 is 27. And don't forget to divide 27 by 1 is 27. The answer is 27 quarts. 6 3/4 gallons is the same as 27 quarts. All right, the last example problem is a word problem. It says, Jerry made 3.5 gallons of iced tea. He stores the iced tea in 1 quart containers. How many containers can he fill? First, let's underline the important information. 3.5 gallons of iced tea is what he has. He stores it in 1 quart containers. How many containers can he fill? Well, we need to convert gallons into quarts. So let's do that first. 3.5 gallons to quarts. We know from the previous problem that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. We can use this to help us cross multiply and find the answer. 3.5 times 4 divided by 1. 3 1/2 times 4 is, well, we can do that same technique as before where we take that whole number and that fraction separately. 3 times 4 is 12. 1/2 times 4 is 4 halves, which is the same as 2 wholes. 12 plus 2 is 14. So we have 14, and don't forget to divide by 1, which is 14. 3.5 gallons is the same as 14 quarts. And we need to answer how many containers can he fill? Well, he can fill 14.